Hi everybody, Lady Steam here. I'm really excited that I get to be the one to tell you about the projects in the November 2018 box of making. We've actually got 3 really cool projects for you, but let's start by taking a look in the box. We've themed this box illumination. Since it's winter, we thought everybody might need a little bit of pick-me-up with pretty glowing tea lights. So, as usual, you'll find a welcome letter on top. As well as some really fun projects inside. So welcome letter and then our paperwork. I'm going to put those out of my way for the moment. And now let's take a look at the projects in the box. The first project you'll see is a train coaster. People have been begging us to do a train coaster. And we've gone ahead and done that in this box. You'll see our really pretty train coaster. It's got gears on the train that spin, as well as a set of smoke across the top that spins. So we think you're going to really love that. That's our tribute to the holidays. We've also done a really fun little tea light project. In this case, it's going to make a star. And we've put 4 tea lights in your box. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll use those to be able to light up your tea light. And our last project in this box, which is a really fun little candle tower. This one has 3 tea lights that'll go in it on the little shelves to light up the various heights. And you can set it at whatever angle you want to set it at, but it's going to give you a really pretty view of some twinkling lights inside. We think when you do the decorating, you're going to have a lot of fun with it, and we'll talk more about that when we go. As usual in our boxes, we have an art supply. This is a set of metallic markers, not paint pens, metallic markers, but they're brush tips, so they really lay on the wood nicely, and you should certainly enjoy that. As usual, a spare screw kit, so that should you be dropping screws on the ground, which I will probably do in a few minutes, you don't have to go dig and hunt down every one of them. A few pieces of spare wood to use for deciding how you're going to decorate your pieces. And as usual, glue and sandpaper. Kids, make sure you don't glue your fingers to yourself. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you take a look at the video instructions about how to put things together and our basic use videos. And we're just really excited to have you.